The race to lead the stablecoin market is heating up nowadays. Ripple's XRP, with its focus on financial institutions and cross-border payments, is making bold moves to capture this space. Meanwhile, Ethereum's ETH, the undisputed king of smart contracts, has a well-established presence in the stablecoin realm. As enforcement actions ramp up and the market braces for change, the race to dominate the stablecoin market is more intense than ever. So, can XRP leverage its strength to outsmart ETH, or will Ethereum's dominance continue unabated? Stablecoin race. Okay, in case you're not familiar, stablecoins promise the volatility, free value of traditional money with the cutting-edge benefits of cryptocurrency. But as more players enter the field, one question looms large. Who will win the stablecoin race? Ripple's XRP has been making waves with strategic partnerships and technological innovations aimed at securing their top spot. Their latest announcement to launch a USD-backed stablecoin that could potentially redefine market dynamics is pretty bold. I mean, it's brash, and it's got everyone talking. But what's in it for Ripple? Well, they're actually eyeing a spot as a major player in financial infrastructure. Think international remittances without the headache-inducing fees or waiting times that feel longer than a line at the DMV. However, they're not alone in this quest for stability. Ethereum has long been a dominant force in the crypto space, and their recent ETF approval by the SEC has sent ripples through the market. This landmark decision not only legitimizes Ethereum's position, but also opens doors for potential regulatory acceptance of other cryptocurrencies, including XRP. Interestingly, if Ripple can snag even a slice of Ethereum's market share, say 10%, we're looking at a market valuation that could soar into billions. And with XRP transactions being faster than 4 seconds on a good day, they've got a real shot at giving Ethereum a run for its money. Ripple's bold leap. Okay, let's take a step back. What's the big deal with USD-backed stablecoins? Why is Ripple betting big on this particular horse in the crypto race? I think it's simple. They combine the trust and stability of the world's primary reserve currency with the efficiency and innovation of blockchain technology. They're pegged to the US dollar, which might not be as exciting as Bitcoin, but come on, stability has its perks. Ripple's announcement to launch their own USD-backed stablecoin is a good strategic move. It's a statement of intent that they're ready to play in the big leagues. Like I just said, Ripple's XRP is already known for its lightning-fast transactions and low fees. We're talking about a network that can handle 1,500 transactions per second with an average ledger settlement time of just 4 seconds. To put that into perspective, Bitcoin might take up to an hour to confirm a transaction during busy times. Apart from speed, what Ripple really brings to the table is a level of efficiency that could make even the most traditional banks sit up and take notice. With their USD-backed stablecoin, they're aiming to streamline cross-border payments, turning what used to be a multi-day affair into something you can do over your morning coffee. So, Ripple's business model signifies a pivot towards becoming a key player in the financial infrastructure. Experts are already weighing in, predicting that Ripple's foray into stable coins could disrupt the market and challenge Ethereum's dominance. If Ripple captures just 1% of the global cross-border payment market, which was valued at $150 trillion back in 2020, we're looking at a potential market share of $1.5 trillion flowing through their network. I mean, wow! It's clear that XRP is poised to become an attractive option for users seeking stability without sacrificing performance. Of course, Ethereum isn't just sitting back and watching Ripple have all the fun. They've got their own tricks up their sleeve with smart contracts and DeFi apps. But Ripple could have an edge. While Ethereum is juggling multiple projects and initiatives, Ripple is laser-focused on making their stable coin the go-to choice for financial transactions. Regulatory hurdles and triumphs. Moving. It's time to talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, regulation. For Ripple and their stable coin aspirations, regulatory compliance isn't just a hoop to jump through. It's a tightrope walk over a canyon of legal complexities. Take their tussle with the SEC as an example. It's been a saga worthy of its own Netflix series, complete with plot twists and courtroom drama. At the heart of it all is the question, is XRP a security or not? The outcome of this legal battle could set a precedent for how digital currencies are treated under US law. No pressure, right? I'm pretty sure you've heard about this. And let me tell you, it's not just Ripple. The entire stablecoin market is under the microscope, with governments worldwide trying to figure out how to fit these digital newcomers into their financial frameworks. Okay, so Ripple has been making strides in other parts of the world where regulators are more like supportive parents than strict disciplinarians. In countries like Japan and the United Arab Emirates, Ripple has found allies willing to embrace innovation while ensuring financial stability. Now again, an if situation. If Ripple manages to clear regulatory hurdles and their stablecoin gains widespread adoption, we could see an influx of institutional money that dwarfs current investments. We're talking about potential market capitalization that could rival some small countries' GDPs. Psychology factor in stable coins. Interestingly, there's a psychological factor involved in stable coins. I know, it's a bit off topic, but it's worth talking about. Let's start with cognitive biases, those pesky mental shortcuts that can lead even the savviest investor astray. Take the confirmation bias. It's like having blinders on that only let you see information confirming what you already believe. So if you're convinced stable coins are the next big thing, you might ignore warning signs that suggest otherwise. See, I told you. Next is loss aversion. The idea that we feel the sting of a loss more acutely than the joy of a gain. For stablecoin investors, this can mean overvaluing stability and potentially missing out on higher returns from more volatile assets. But it's not all doom and gloom. Investing in stablecoins can also tap into our desire for control. In a market where Bitcoin can drop faster than my Wi-Fi signal, stablecoins offer a haven from volatility. Okay, here's the twist. Despite their stability, stablecoins aren't immune to fluctuations. There you go, an honest answer. They're pegged to fiat currencies, which means they're as stable as the government's backing them. So when inflation hits or political turmoil strikes, even stable coins can wobble on their pedestals. Remember Iron Finance's Titan token? It went from $60 to practically zero in 24 hours. A huge reminder that stable can be a relative term. Speaking of numbers, stable coins have a pretty good market cap. Tether alone boasts a market cap that hovers around $68 billion. A report suggests that the daily trading volume for stable coins can exceed $100 billion on a good day. And with transaction fees often less than a cent, it's no wonder people are flocking to stable coins. Ripple versus Ethereum. Anyway, let's circle back to our discussion of Ripple versus Ethereum. Here's a rapid comparison. Number 1. Purpose. Ripple, or XRP, was born with a silver spoon in its mouth, aiming to schmooze with the banks and grease the wheels of global finance. Ethereum, on the other hand, is the wild child of crypto, a platform where developers can build anything from dApps to entire new cryptocurrencies. Number 2. Technology and speed. Ripple boasts a lightning-fast transaction speed of 4 seconds. Ethereum isn't exactly a slouch either. With its recent upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 and a shift from proof of work to proof of stake, it's like Ethereum hit the gym and came back ripped. This upgrade aims to make transactions faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient, yet it's less than Ripple. Number 3. Adoption and partnerships. With over 300 financial institutions across 40 countries flirting with its technology, Ripple's got some serious game. Ethereum's approach is more grassroots. They are building a community of developers and users who believe in a decentralized future. Number 4. Expert predictions. For Ripple, experts predict that if it can clear its legal hurdles and continue forging partnerships at its current pace, we could see prices soar high. Ethereum's future looks bright too. Some say it could even overtake Bitcoin as the king of crypto if it continues innovating and scaling up its operations. Might be a stretch, but sure, exciting. Emerging coins. As we look ahead, Tether and USD Coin currently hold the reins with their massive market caps and widespread adoption. There are some emerging coins like AMS 160X, Aletitor, Turbo, and Papanovax, full of potential and backed by innovative tech and bold predictions. For instance, Turbo has been turbocharged, literally, with a recent surge, boasting a market capitalization approaching $460 million. One price prediction expects it to reach $4.756 by 2025. Currently sitting at the $1,016.650, Turbo's journey could be a hit in the making. As for AMS160X, the optimism is palpable. With predictions of hitting $70-$100 by 2025, it suggests a bullish outlook that could see early investors reaping significant rewards. That's a 20x return from its current price. Aletitor and Papanovax remain shrouded in mystery with less public data available. However, this obscurity doesn't negate their potential. They are predictions of 100x returns for the investors. So who should you invest in? To be honest, diversification remains the prudent strategy, balancing investments across established leaders and promising upstarts. And that's a wrap. The stablecoin race between Ripple and Ethereum is one of the most exciting battles in the crypto world today. Who do you think will emerge victorious? Are Ripple's investments enough to challenge Ethereum's stronghold, or will Ethereum continue to dominate? Drop your thoughts, opinions, and predictions in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on how to stake XRP for steady passive income in 2024. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.